Yes, you are right. For health fall problem and for prevention of hair problems, all type of hair problems, we are going to do exercise. So first of all, we will start from the concentration in a standing position. In a standing position, you have to keep your feet together, arms by the side of the body, touching fingers to the body, toe together, heel together, all fingers and thumb together, and then eye close, be inside, try to maintain, be inside and feel inside. Try to maintain your body weight equally divided on both feet. You have the body weight, it should be divided equally on both feet. Eye close, totally close, perfectly close. Understand yourself. Is your weight on the right foot or left foot, or it is equally divided? You have to maintain your body weight equally divided. It is the big stretching. First part, prayer in this position. Then you have to do the prayer for a while. Almighty, you have to remember who gave us this opportunity to do the scientific yoga practices. Those are psychophysiotherapeutic practices. Now slowly open your eyes and raise your hand, because you are going to bend backward. So take the position rightly. Okay. Now slowly raise your hand up and your thumb together. Then stretch them further. Raise your arm up as much as you can, And if you feel you will fall down, you can keep your feet little apart, because you are going to bend backward. Slowly exhale and go back as much as you can. Slowly go back as much as you can and feel inside comfortably. And then relax there. Take 2 normal breaths there if possible. Otherwise, go forward and try to bring your hands by this side of your feet. Hands by the side of your feet, head down. And now stay over here for 2 normal breaths. Then left leg behind. Only left leg behind as much as you can. And look up. Feel inside. Stay here for 2 normal breaths. Be inside. And then raise your hand up. Next position. Raise both hands and try to make the balance. And if you can go a little back, that's nice. Very good. Maintain it for a while and then come back and change the legs position. Yes. Okay. Look up. Stay over here in this position, because your leg, one leg is ahead and one is behind. There is a big stretch in your lower abdominal area, thighs area, hip joint. Now do the next pose. Raise the hands up. Good. Very good. You are maintaining balance. Yes, you are going back also. Then slowly come forward. Bring your head down and with jump both legs together, but keep them behind. Both legs together. Body triangle position. Heel and toes on ground. Yes, in this position. And then again you have to jump and bring your both feet in between the hands. And then yes, very good. Legs straight and keep your upper body relaxed. Keep your upper body relaxed, perfectly relaxed. Then go up, stretch your hands up and bring them in the side and slowly bring them down and relax in standing position. Now you have to keep your balance on one feet. Raise your one leg up and thigh on thigh. Sole should be kept on thigh. Try to maintain the balance in this position. You may keep both hands here, or you may raise the hands if you like, whatever comfortable. But your balance should be on one feet and your concentration should be in. Then you can maintain it. Very good. Nice. Very nice. Slowly come back and may do by other side. Now you will do the rotations. Neck rotation, start from the neck rotation. Slowly bring your neck back, then in the right side, then forward and left side, 2 rotation clockwise, then slowly Do the same anti-clockwise. 2 rotation anti-clockwise. Feel inside where the effect is going on in the neck area. After 2 rotation, do the rotation of upper body. Keep hand on hip, hand by the side of hip, and then upper body, rotate your upper body. Upper body only, you have to rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Upper body, only upper body you have to move. Only upper body, clockwise, 2 rotations, and then anti-clockwise 2 rotations. After that, you have to sit a little bit, and then hip rotation. Give the moment to your hips, clockwise and anti-clockwise. 2 times clockwise and 2 times anti-clockwise. That's good. Then keep your hand on about the knee for knee rotation. Knee little ahead. Yes, 2 times clockwise and 2 times anti-clockwise knee rotation. And after knee rotation, raise your one leg up, make a 0 with the leg. Make a big 0 with the leg or with the toes. With the toes, make a 0. Yes, you're balancing. Good. Doing wonderful. And then ankle up and down. Yes, ankle up and down. That's good. Then backward bending, keep your hands on back and slowly go back side from upper body comfortably. Do as much as can do. Then slowly come back. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Here you can do forward bending also because you did a lot. That's why forward bending is required. Okay. Now sit down on both feet. Keep your hand on knees and look up. Sit down. Sit down in this position. As much comfortably you can sit. No problem. And then heel up, elbow on knees, and again you have to maintain the balance in this position. And then do the pose for digestion. Sit in between the heel for the digestion. Yes, may look this side so that viewer can see you comfortably. Toes, stretch the toes backward or keep the toes one upon other. Big toe may be one upon other. Don't sit in between. Toe should be nearer. Okay? And the big toe may be one upon other if you like. Otherwise you may sit in this position. Straight, the spine is straight and concentrate inside and relax internally. Very effective pose for digestion. Then the next pose, keep your hands ahead. Do the tiger practice. Tiger practice. Yes. And with the inhalation and exhalation. When inhaling, face up, back down. When exhaling, face down, back up. Do 2-3 times or you might do 5 times if you like. Repeat it as per your need and speed. Speed should be comfortable for you. 5 times. After 5 times repetition, you may sit down and raise your hands up, knees apart, and slowly move forward, down. Yes, relax your back muscles, neck muscles, abdominal muscles, and feel inside what is happening in this practice. Then slowly come back and stand on knees. Stand on knees. Keep your hand on back for support and try to bend backward as much as you can comfortably. In final position, stay for 2 normal breaths. Then slowly come back. Then slowly come back. That's good. That's good. And after this, sit. Sit comfortably, and then come inside. Fist close. keep your hands by the side of navel position and exhale the breath. After exhalation, stretch abdominal muscles in. Hands should go in, then lean forward. Look up. Relax abdominal muscles. Feel the effect in the back area, in the abdominal area, in the neck area. Relax abdominal muscle and relax your whole body. Then you can feel the pressure on your face also. Blood is moving there, on eyes also. Then slowly come back. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Good. And now, in this position, you can move your face this side and keep your elbow and hand in one side, elbow and in one side. Raise the other hand up, stretch it up, then bring it this side. Yes, and relax abdominal muscle. Feel the effect. Normal breath. Feel the effect. Where the effect of this practice is. Very beneficial in the side, for the side muscles. Now slowly come back. We are doing the tuning of whole body. We are do it by the side. We are doing the practices for whole body. Feel inside where the effect of this practice is. And then slowly come back. And now you have to maintain your whole body weight through elbow on hands. Knee apart, keep the hands in between the knees and then bring the elbow, try to bring the elbow on abdomen, on the navel part. Head on ground, keep the head on ground and elbow on abdomen. And slowly try to raise your body weight on abdomen, not head, on abdomen. Okay, please see. This is the way. Actually, do it comfortably and you forward it. Otherwise, you are trained. You have to keep in this way. Hands, elbow will move here and head on ground. After keeping hand ground, to shift the weight of lower part of abdomen, raise your knees and feet, if possible. Do it. Try to do it. You may do it. Try to do it. Your elbow should go on abdominal area. Open. Keep your elbow here. Open the heels. Now try to raise your heel, your knees and feet. Yes. Good. Good. This is enough. This is enough. Very good. Slowly come back. This is enough. And now take rest for a while in dead body pose. Lay down in dead body pose. Take rest in dead body pose. Take rest comfortably. Be inside. Feel inside. You have to take rest. Don't have deep breath. Only the relax your body. Allow the normal breath. Allow the normal breath. When you feel I am comfortable, then you can take 2 deep breaths. Otherwise, allow the normal breath. And when you are relaxed, then you have to keep your hands on ground, fold your legs and raise middle part of your body. Keep the hands on ground under the shoulder and then raise your, yes, very good. Comfortably, as much as you can comfortably. Then slowly come back, don't do much. You may repeat, but don't do much. If you like, you may repeat, or otherwise you may take rest in that body pose. Or if you like, you may repeat. And now, keep your hand by the side of body and legs is to go back on ground. Feet should go back on ground. Yes, hands on ground. Very good, very good. Be inside and feel inside. Feel inside. Feel inside. That's nice, that's nice. And then keep the support, have the support of your hands on back. Have the support of your back. And raise your leg up. Very good. And relax your internally, your abdominal area and your shoulder. Internally you have to relax. Maintain the pose, but relax internally. Be inside and feel inside. Then slowly bring the leg on the back, stretch the hand and come back slowly. Come back slowly. And that's nice. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Relax, relax, relax. Perfectly relax. Perfectly relax. Perfectly relax. Then come on abdomen and rest. Rest on. Keep your elbow on ground and make your chin should come on your hand in resting position. Stretch is to be felt in the neck area. For that you have to adjust your elbow here and there to feel the stretch in the neck area. Okay, and now raise your upper body as much as you can. As much as you can with the supports of hand up and maintain the pose, then relax abdominal area, feel the stretch in the neck area, allow the normal breath, there is a lot of stretch inside, then slowly come back and fold the legs, hold the ankle and raise the, yes, up, good, very good, very good, very good. After practicing it, slowly come back. That's good. That's good. And now, after taking rest, you may take rest as you like. You may take rest as you like. On abdominal position or supine position, whichever you like. And after taking rest in this position, you have to do. After taking rest in this position, you have to stand on hand a little bit. So first of all, have the finger position, and after taking the finger position, finger should be together. Make a finger lock for the support, and here portion of your head is to be on ground. Don't keep your forehead on ground. From the place where the hair starts, that should be on ground. Yes, very good, very good. That's a very beneficial practice for to prevention of hair fall. Slowly come back and take rest in sitting position. Then very good, that's nice. Then standing position, hands should be in relaxed position up. Don't stretch them, in relaxed state, so that the blood come back, so that the blood from the head also should come back. And this is very good practice you perform. Then sit down in any comfortable position and to do the cheeks rejuvenating practice and lungs capacity developing practice. Finger together and thumb by the side of nose, elbow apart, face up, and now close your nose with the thumb and inhale through the mouth. Fill the chest and mouth and hold the breath. Keep your middle two finger also on chest. Yes. And now keep the hand here. Raise your face up. Only hand here. Keep the hands here and face up. Allow the normal breath. 2 normal breath. And then bring the hands down. Very good. That's nice. And now in sitting position, relax your whole body. Relax first. You have to relax your whole body. And now, with the jerk of lower abdominal muscles, push your diaphragm again and again, and that will push your lungs area and air will come out. So practice it a few times, 10 to 20 times. Stretch abdominal muscles towards back and up, and that will give the pressure to the lower, to the diaphragm, and diaphragm will push the lungs area and air will come out. Do the practice in this way. Yes, 10 to 20 times. Very nice, very nice. Very nice, very nice. Good. And now Next practice, first of all, relax internally. Eye close, relax. First of all, relax. And after relaxation, open your eyes and keep the thumb, two finger, lock the two finger on. Yes, exhale and inhale. First exhale, then any comfortable position, no problem. First of all, exhale by one nostril and inhale by the same nostril. Then repeat it by the other nostril. And do it 3-4 times. Close your eyes. First exhale, then inhale from the same nostril. And after 2-3 rounds, do it fast. Do it fast. Fastly exhale, inhale. Yes, fastly. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And after a few times, then have a deep inhalation. Be inside and feel inside. Be inside and feel inside. Do that deep inhalation, exhalation practice with feeling. Where the breath is moving. From which place it is coming out. And the last practice is the laughter. We have to laugh with the thanks to Almighty who gave us this opportunity. This is nice opportunity gave us. So then sit in such a position, you can fully enjoy the laughter with the thanking of Almighty and all those people who contributed to do this practice. So nice of you. Yes, laugh 3 times. One laugh. One more. But this time should be a deep laughter. Yes, start. Inhale. Thank you very much. You did a lot. If you are in need of doing the relaxation position, you may take rest. Otherwise, leave the practice. Thank you. Thanks a lot.